Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day so far. So I got the Chevy Equinox and I'm replacing the motor on. I want to point something out to you. We took the hood off and I had to take the front upper support out on the radiator, and that is what holds the hood latch. So now going back together, and I've seen people do this, they'll just go ahead and tighten it up. And then the hood, either binds up or whatever, and then you'll never get it to open right because it's stuck. You pull the hood release and nothing happens. You have to have a friend underneath here or out at the hood to like pop it open or something. And a lot of times you can avoid all of that, and because what happens is the bolts that hold the latch in place leave witness marks. Now a lot of you know about this, but some of you don't. So I figured I'd show you real quick. So here I am. I'm putting this back together. This vehicle right here. So here's the hood latch. Now I can tighten those bolts up any position I want to, but check this out. Now just imagine if you have it in the wrong spot. You can have it down too far, so now you got to really close the hood hard to get it to fit, or you have it up too high, and now the hood's rattling around because it's not hitting the stop bumpers. Those are the stop bumpers. That's adjustable, and that basically so the hood fits nicely to the edge of the fenders and the headlight and everything else, and that puts a little tension on the hood, so that also helps when you pull the hood release. Besides the spring in here that helps push the hood up, those help push the hood up. So now when you go to tighten this up, you bring one bolt down snug to that witness mark, and then you go to the other side and you get that close to the witness mark. Now let me show you real quick. I'm doing this one-handed because I don't have my tripod here right at the moment. So let me pause this and I'll show you. All right, so right there, I have that side snug down. See that? And you don't see anything of the old witness mark hanging out. I mean, some of it you could see a mark on the top of that, but that's just from me moving around just now. But like, if you're looking at that side, you see a definite clear witness mark. And you could still move this up, down, and however. So this is going to wind up like right about there, because if you also noticed, there was a mark up there that's a witness mark. So now, when I go to tighten this, let me back up. I go to tighten this. See that? It fit perfectly on there, just like that side. So now, oops, let's give it a quick. That's it. You don't go nuts trying to tighten those down because you don't want to strip it out. That should be absolutely perfect. So now everything's golden. Now it's back in the same spot it was before. So I know when I go to close the hood, because I lined up the witness marks, everything's going to go back in the same position. Now also, before I forget, because when the hood goes back on, you got to remember something too. You have witness marks on the hood latch, or the hood hinges. Now, what some people used to do in the past was, and I remember this, they would drill a hole with the hood in place. They drill a hole through here, a small hole that they could stick a pin through or whatever. And then when they put the hood back in place, they would line that pin up and then tighten the bolts. I don't like doing that. 99 times out of 100, you do this, you're absolutely perfect. Every once in a blue moon, you get it to where you might have to adjust it just slightly one way or the other. But just line everything up like that and you'll be golden. So that's it. I'm going to keep assembling this vehicle. But I just wanted to show you that. I thought that'd be interesting. All right, guys. Hope you're getting something out of my videos. If you do, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.